Hello my dear students, I warmly welcome you to Sija's digital classes. In this lecture we are going to discuss about one important problem. So that is intersection of two ideals is again an ideal. Okay. So see the question first of all. Show that intersection of two ideals of a ring capital R is again an ideal of capital R. Okay. So let's prove. Let I1 and I2 be the two ideals of a ring capital R. Okay. The in ideal capital starting letter is capital I. That is I am taking I1 and I2 be the two ideals. Okay. Whenever you take one thing is ideal, definitely it will satisfy the left ideal condition and right ideal conditions also. Okay. I1 and I2 are subgroups with respect to addition. Okay. Whenever they are ideals in the ring, definitely they will satisfy the subgroup condition with respect to addition. Why? Because in the ring condition only G comma plus, okay, R comma plus is a group under addition and cheppestam. So therefore I1 intersection I2 is equal to subgroup of capital R. Their intersection is also subgroup whenever those two ideals are subgroup. To show that I1 intersection I2 is also an ideal, okay, ఆ intersection అనేది కూడా మళ్ళీ మనం ideal అని prove చేయాలంటే, so it is enough to show that I1 intersection I2 is either left ideal or right ideal. Okay, ఈ intersection value అనేది మనము either left ideal అని గాని లేదంటే right ideal అని prove చేసినాం అనుకోండి, automatic గా it will become an ideal. So since we have I1 and I2 are the left ideal, ఇప్పుడు నేను ఏమని ప్రూవ్ చేస్తున్నా అంటే ఆ ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ వాల్యూని ఫస్ట్ లెఫ్ట్ ఐడియల్ అని ప్రూవ్ చేస్తున్నా. అవి లెఫ్ట్ ఐడియల్ అని ప్రూవ్ చేయాలంటే ఫస్ట్ I1 and I2 are the left ideals and let small r belongs to capital R and small s belongs to intersection of the I1 intersection I2. So then according to the ideal definition R into S, left ideal అంటే R అనేది లెఫ్ట్ వస్తుంది మనకు. R into S belongs to I1 intersection I2. So okay, since we have S belongs to I1 intersection I2, that means S is the common element for those ideals. Okay, whenever we have intersection and one element, that element common element for both of them. So therefore S belongs to I1 and S belongs to I2. So now with the help of these two ideals, first of all I am taking for small r belongs to capital R and small s belongs to I1, we can apply the identity left identity condition R into S belongs to capital I1. Okay, that is taken as equation number 1 according to the definition of the left ideal. Similarly, small r belongs to capital R, small s belongs to I2. So therefore R into S also belongs to I2. That is equation number 2. So therefore from equation number 1 and equation number 2, R into S belongs to, here we have R into S and here we have R into S. In both equations R into S is the common element. So then common element we can apply the intersection. So therefore R into S belongs to intersection of I1 intersection I2. So R into S is the left ideal representation. So therefore intersection I1 intersection I2 is a left ideal of capital R. Whenever you take I1 and I2 are the left ideals, then their intersection is also left ideal. Similarly, we can prove that I1 intersection I2 is a right ideal whenever I1 and I2 are the right ideal respectively. So therefore I1 intersection I2 is an ideal of capital R. So in this format you can do the any problem in that manner. So make a perfect practice, prepare well. Until bye, thank you.